Go to Select, Subject. Press CTRL+J to duplicate the subject in a new layer. Select one of the shape tools. I use the triangle tool. Select Shape. Select No Color for the fill. Pick a stroke color. And set the stroke width to your liking. Create your shape. Select the Move tool and press CTRL+T. You can now resize, move, and rotate the shape. Press CTRL+J to duplicate the shape layer. Place one of the shape layers below the subject layer. Select the top shape layer. And add a layer mask. Select the Brush tool. I use a hard round brush. Opacity 100%. Make the foreground color black. Brush over the areas of the shape that you want to place behind the subject. To bring the line back, make the foreground color white and brush over it again. And that's how you create a shape around your subject.